Uninstalling Snapchat is super simple, whether you're using the version for Android devices, iOS devices. The process is pretty simple, so we'll be going over exactly how you can do it in this very video. So let's start off with how you do it on Android. And while the user interface may be a bit different depending on which flavor of Android you use specifically, like for example on Samsung or on a Google phone, the process will be pretty much the same. So what you want to do first is locate Snapchat on your phone. So if you have it pinned to one of your main home pages, then just simply find it on there, or if you don't, simply swipe up on your phone and in the full apps list, find Snapchat there. Once you have found it, simply long hold on the Snapchat icon until you get to this little pop-up menu, and there you'll see an uninstall option. So simply tap on that. Then it'll ask to confirm that you really want to delete it, and it may also present you an option to keep the local data of the app. So if you're, for example, uninstalling it for, say, troubleshooting purposes, but you want to keep all the local data, like say the login details or any of the photos or videos stored with the app, then you can keep it if you want to. But again, it is not necessary. The other way of doing it is by going to the Google Play Store, and once you're there, looking up Snapchat. There you'll see an uninstall button, so you can just tap on that and it will once again get uninstalled. Now let's go over how you do it if you have an iPhone instead. Once again, locate Snapchat either in one of your home screens or by swiping up to get to your full app library. And once you have found it, simply just long hold on it. In the menu that pops up, you will see a remove app option. Now, unlike with Android, you can't uninstall it from the App Store page as easily. If you go to Snapchat there, you'll see that you just get an open button and not an uninstall button. So as you can see, it is very easy to uninstall it, regardless of what operating system you are using Snapchat on. So hopefully you have found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.